Hi, now we are going to use the projection lines to draw the right side view and the top view. Before we start, let's define the projection lines. Projection lines are extensions of lines that will assist in 2D drawing. How to do that and in which way it's going to assist us, now we will figure out. So the first step, we're going to do, of course, the side view because it is very simple. We're going to extend the lines like this. Remember that you need to make sure that your object line is very clear. The projection lines should be in really soft color. So this is the first object line or a projection line, and here the second one as well. Let's do the last projection lines. One of a major mistake that most of us have in this is that when we do those projection lines, we're having them tilted. In this case, you need to use, as we taught you before, the set square to guarantee that your lines are all straight. So here you have the line. Let's double check that if we have a straight lines. So you can tell that over here there is no problem with the first line. This is the first one. Over here, the second line, let's check it if it is a straight line. This is also the third projection or projected line. Let's make sure that it is exactly a straight line. So here we have three parallel lines. They are three projection lines. Second step, as we did before, we need to leave a space of 1 centimeter from the original line to have a neat, clean drawing. So the distance from here to there is only 1 centimeter. So I'm going to start my drawing from this point. Now all what we need to do is just connect the lines without taking any dimension. I'm going to connect the line from here up there top. Make sure that the edges and the lines here, they are all aligned with the projection lines to avoid any tilted line. So here the first line, and now we need to know what is the value of the side view. Here you can see it's 40 millimeter, which is going to be a 4 centimeter. So from here up to here, it's 4 centimeter. Okay, and again we're going to have it from this point also 4 centimeter, and here like this. Remember that in here, if you are standing in this direction and look to this side, you will only see this. You will not be able to see any hidden feature, right? How to represent a hidden feature? We only need to represent it with a dashed line. So you can tell now what are the benefits of using extensions or projection lines, is that we're not using much dimension. We only took the dimensions from here to here, which was 4 centimeter, but we don't have to go through having a dimension from this point to this point, which is actually over here as given, it's a 3 centimeter. And here it's a 3 centimeter. So you are minimizing the use of dimensions by using the extension or the projection lines. Now, how to find out the top view with a minimum number of dimensions. The first step, we're going to project the lines, exactly the same step as we did before. Here, we're going to align our ruler. With this method, you guarantee that your extensions or the projection lines are straight. There is no tiltation. Over here also, this is another way, or maybe better because it is the same thing with the edges. Okay, now what about this side? How we can take the dimension from this side? Simply, you need to take an angle from here by 45, and this is the trick. So let's take a 45-degree angle. And now all what you need to do is to project the lines. Once the line touch this angle, we will stop. The same here on this side. And now we're going to project those two lines in this direction. Try your best to have it with the straight lines. So let's try to do it with this method. Still our ruler is not straight. Now it's straight. And here we go. So this is the first line. Let's extend the line. Okay, exactly the same method over here. Let's make sure that our ruler is straight, and being precise is the most important part of having this drawing done perfectly. Now, why I did this? I did all those steps for sake of make or minimize the use of dimensions. Now all what I need to do is just connect the lines together with the ruler. With this, we'll be able to find or figure out how much is the dimensions, check the work, and it will make our life really, really easy. So here, I'm connecting the lines. As you can see, the dimension is accurate. So here it's 7. And here it's 4. And here we go. Only connecting the lines without taking any dimension, and you will have a perfect top view done. Here we go. Such a drawing is very simple we only had to take the dimension for the top view, few dimensions in the side view, and here in the top view we did not take any dimension, right? We only used the projection line to figure out how to draw the top view. So that's it. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me, and we're going to do another example in the coming video.